welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I haven't posted in so long. I'm like revamping everything. This YouTube channel is gonna be mainly dedicated to hair, but I'm gonna just make a looks here and there. But starting the new year with this video on this unit right here, a little cute little synthetic wig, curls for the girls. So it's giving. I like it, and I have to shape it up a little bit, but if you want to see how I achieved it and how I do my units, keep on watching. Yes, because this is just, I like it. I can't stop looking at myself. I'm trying not to play with it so much because, you know, the more you play with it, the bigger it gets, but like I can't help but put my hands in my hair. But yeah, and Ebonyline sent me this wig, so I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can purchase this wig. And you want to see how I did it, like I said, just keep on watching. Okay, so I got a wig sent from Ebonyline.com, and I get all my little synthetic wigs from them. Highly recommend. I'll put the link down below. But they sent me this beautiful wig right here. Curls for the girls. Like, let's get into it. Like, look at this. It's so cute. Like, synthetic wear, please. And I think this unit was either $30 or $40. I'm gonna put the exact price on the screen and in the description box. But this is the butter lace unit from Sensationnel in unit number 5. Here's the little card. This is how I look. And I got the color 1 just because I wanted it to kind of look like it's my hair, even though we know this ain't my hair. But I just wanted a basic color because this is my first time trying this wig, and I didn't want to get it in a color. But they have a bunch of colors. Like on this card, it shows you every color. I did want it to get the red one because I love red, but we got black today. You don't got the price in here, but I'll put the price. And it says you can heat it up 350 to 400 degrees. I probably won't curl or straighten this unit, but if you want to, you can. And HD lace parting, you know, it's a T part, but then you got the extra lace on the side, so you can do baby hairs and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I install this. I'm gonna go do my bald cap really quick, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I fixed the ear tabs and everything, and I'm going to start gluing her. We're gonna start gluing. I'm using the bold hold. Can y'all see that? The bold hold. This shit was $40 and I didn't even know it, but I got it from my beauty supply store. I want to try the Erica J, I think is her name, glue, but it's always sold out. So we gonna suffice for this, and my wigs be on for like a week or two. So, and then I'm gonna go in. I'm also gonna use this even spray. I got the black one, and then I also got the red one, but I used the red one. I used to use this one all the time, but then I got this one. I like this one. They kind of got the same hold, but I use this one when I'm doing my bald cap, and then I use this one to hold my lace down. So yeah, and it looks pretty good, like placement wise. I took my hot comb and I put the baby hairs back just so I could see the hairline better and where I'm going to be laying the wig placement. Take my even spray, and then I'm gonna spray this, you know, I do this twice. I do this once when I'm melting the lace, and then again when I do the baby hairs. So y'all go see. Okay, so I took the elastic band off, and now we're gonna cut the lace. So I do like 3 little tabs. Okay, I added some baby hairs, you know, just some like, if I pluck the hairline a little bit better, but with this, you don't want to pluck the hairline too much because you can't really do that much anyway because it's not your typical lace frontal wig, it's just a part. So I want to cut it some because honestly, it's covering my face too much. It's cute, but like, Miss Mama's, I want to give her some little shape or something. So bear with me because I'm not a hairstylist. I just be, you know, I don't know. So I kind of did this already. I'm starting to do this side. I'm just taking like random pieces and just cutting them. I also took my wax stick and like, just, ooh, girl, what the hell? We gonna straighten, not straighten, but flat iron, not flat iron. Girl, hot comb. This. Done. I think this is cool. I might do a little something in a couple days because usually throughout me wearing it, I you know. Do a 360. The back probably looks fine. I can't see the back to really shape it. It's more so the front. I care about the front more than the back. As long as ain't no traction, I don't care. And if you wanted to flip it to the side, which I don't really care for the side. It's cute, but I don't really care for it. I like how the middle looks. So we're gonna leave like this. Let me cut this right here. This part. But I like it. I think it's cute. Can't really see my face. But it's like how do y'all like it? Do you guys like it? Okay guys, this is the finished look with the hair. And yeah, this is the Butta Lace Unit 5. Remember, it's gonna be in the description box down below, so make sure you click that link. okay? And I like this. I like how I styled it too. Just, it was cute like that too, but it's just too much on my face. I kind of want my face to be, I want you to be able to see my face, so I had to shape it up a little bit, and this is how I like it. And yeah, if you guys like this, be sure, like I said, to click that link below and buy this hair because it's very cute, and they also got other colors too, so you ain't got to get one like I did. You can get the other colors. Yeah, so I'm about to go, but be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what y'all want to see next, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.